Hurricane IRMA strengthened to a Category 4 storm overnight and is expected to slam into parts of the Leeward Islands later on Tuesday. As of 5 a.m., the dangerous major hurricane was located at about 320 miles or 515 kilometers east of the Leeward Islands, packing maximum sustained winds of 150 miles per hour or 240 kilometers per hour. This is just 6 miles per hour less than a Category 5 as it heads west at 14 miles per hour or 22 kilometers per hour, with atmospheric or barometric pressure currently at 937 millibars. That is very low. Landfall is expected late Tuesday night into early Wednesday on the island of Anguilla. While IRMA's exact path is still uncertain, several islands in the Caribbean as well as Florida are bracing for the storm. IRMA poses a serious threat to the Leeward Islands, where it is expected to arrive later on Tuesday, bringing with it destructive waves and storm surges 6 to 9 feet. The storm could dump as much as 10 inches of rain as it moves through the Caribbean. Puerto Rico and a string of Caribbean islands are on the hurricane warnings. These islands include the British Virgin Islands, the US Virgin Islands, Antigua, Barbuda, Anguilla, Montserrat, St. Kitts and Nevis, Saba, St. Eustatius, St. Martin, and St. Bartholomew. The warnings are usually issued to areas that could see tropical force winds of up to 140 miles per hour in about 36 hours after the alert is in effect. So as of 5 a.m. Tuesday morning, Hurricane IRMA was bearing down on the Leeward Islands, and many of those islands have been placed on the hurricane warnings now, and the system is as impressive as ever. You're seeing the classic saw blade disposition. You don't want to see that. That is like a textbook hurricane, and we are now understanding that the system is becoming stronger and stronger, and it is not far away from Category 5. As a matter of fact, when I was doing the recording for this, it was packing winds of 150 miles per hour with higher gusts, and 156 miles per hour is where Category 5 begins. So we continue to pray for our Caribbean brothers in the Leeward Islands as the system becomes a greater threat to them. We hope that there will be no loss of life. We know that there will be a lot of flooding. That is, you cannot escape that, because the amount of precipitation involved with this system is amazing. The diameter of the system is so wide that a number of islands will be affected. The center of circulation is so defined, it is amazing. So we'll continue to monitor the system, and we hope that there will be no loss of life, and that damage to infrastructure and property will be at a minimal. But I think that is a bit of excess hope, as this one will be very bad for the islands that it comes in contact with. So guys, if you haven't done your hurricane preparation, please do final minute touches, because this one will be dangerous. As for the Jamaican context, the weather conditions over the island has been influenced by a tropical wave for the past couple of hours, which has bring scattered showers and probably heavy showers in some areas since yesterday evening. As of now, Hurricane IRMA is still not a direct threat to Jamaica, but as I said in previous updates, based on the diameter of the system, based on the projected path and track of the system, I am absolutely sure that Jamaica's weather will be influenced by the outward spiral bands of IRMA, bringing rain, and probably a lot of rain and strong gust of winds to the island. But that is later on in the week, probably late Thursday evening into Friday, into Saturday, and probably even into Sunday. So we will continue to keep an eye on the system as it relates to Jamaica. Anything that changes, I will let you know immediately if possible, because I have to be at work now. So guys, Jamaica is not in the direct path of the hurricane, but our weather systems and conditions will definitely be influenced by Hurricane IRMA, which is now a strong category 4, and I wouldn't be surprised if after I finish recording this video it has been upgraded to a category 5. That is how impressive and organized it is, and that is how favorable conditions are for sustenance and probably even intensification. Talk to you later, guys. And the persons in the Leeward Islands, please be on alert and please try to be as safe as you can, and I will keep you in my prayers. This video was made possible partly through the contribution of my patrons. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.